Alrighty, happy Sunday, and you're a good person. I'm so glad you're here. It's cold tonight. My phone has been saying that it's like 18 degrees. Crazy. So anyway, happy Sunday. How are you doing? Are you doing well? I'm doing good. I'm wearing vertical stripes today. Vertical stripes for slimming. So this makes me look like I'm like, what, 150 pounds? Lean. Yes, that's me. I am lean and young and confident and strong, and you are too. Masks. I hate masks. I really do. I mean, I just hate them. They're a pain in the butt. Yes, I know. Because of the good of the society, we have to wear them. And honestly, I really do believe that. And I know a lot of us do, but it doesn't mean that I like it. I can do difficult things. I can do things that I don't enjoy because I know it's the right thing to do. And that's what I preach to everybody. So, like a good person, I go out in public, I put my mask on, I sanitize, I do the right thing. But hey, these things are a pain. So here's a mask. It's an annoying mask. I don't like it. And you can wear it. And the thing that happens to me, I don't know about you, they ride up and they start pushing against my eyelids. And that bothers me. And God bless people that have to wear glasses, right? Because then they fog up. But this is really uncomfortable. But let's say I'm by myself and I want to take it off, right? Nobody else is around, so I can take my mask off. And then 10 minutes later, somebody comes close to me. Oh no, let me put my mask on. What did I do with it? Well, what I have done is bought elastic. Like, you can go to Walmart, you can go to any kind of craft store and buy elastic. I bought this on Amazon.com, like, I don't know, 20 feet of elastic for $5 or something like that. So what I've done is get about maybe 6 inches and put it through the loops. And I just tie it into a loop and make a little, simple knot on the end. And you're a good person, act right. Good, yeah, just make a little slip knot, I guess what you would call it, on the end here, so that I have a loop like this. So instead of having to hang it off of one ear or find it in my pocket, instead I have it around my neck, and if nobody's around, it's around my neck. If somebody comes up, oh, somebody's here, I put it up. And because the elastic is lower than my ears, it's not riding up against my eyes, which I find very annoying. And you can adjust it very easily, depending on how, thin or fat your neck is. You can make that loop very small because I'm wearing vertical stripes. So this was big for me because I would lose my dumb masks because I didn't want to wear them, and I'd have to put them on when people were around. And this makes it a lot easier. My mask is always right here. I never have to go hunting for it. I never put it down and walk away and forget it because it stays around my neck pretty much all day while I'm at school. So once again, hey, buy some elastic. I found black elastic on Amazon for a few dollars, and if I need a new mask, or if I find a new mask, I just cut some more elastic and add it to it, and it has made my life so much easier. So that's my first big clear to learn tip for today. Speaking of which, you should look into my book, Brutal Kindness, and it helps you learn how to get over the past, focus on a good future, and work for it. Everything worth having takes work. That's just reality. And for those of us that feel bad, hey, feeling bad is a bad habit just like any other. You can learn to work through it. You can learn to put the past in the past, focus on a good future, and work to make it happen. And guess what? If you work to make something happen, you build self-respect, you build self-esteem, and you start to see yourself as a good person who is strong, confident, and successful. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. I hope you look into my book and start taking on my 5 habits for happiness that can transform your life, transform your thinking, and help you get a life that you love and enjoy the process of creating it. So that's all I got for now. Like or subscribe to the Crazy Man's vlog, Clear to Learn, and hope to see you again next week. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.